Hey y'all, welcome back to Sidewinder Shed. This is the pan that I've been seasoning. This is one for the giveaway, and what we're doing right now is going to try make some breakfast again. Again, my fault, I should have brought you in a little bit sooner, but I thought I'd hit start on this video, so I've been talking to myself here for the last 5 minutes. And didn't realize it. But anyway, we're going to cook up some bacon. Going to cook up some eggs. And we're going to cook up some corned beef hash. And we'll see how this pan does. Anyway, just cooking up a little bit of bacon in here. I like to, my personal thing is, the first time I use one of these pans after I seasoned it, I like to put some bacon in it for one of the first things. Another good thing to do, believe it or not, is to fry some potatoes in it. The starch from the potatoes helps to seal all the little micropores that's in the pan, and it gives it that nice slick. It seals everything up really nice. But I don't feel like doing potatoes this morning. So we're just going to do some bacon, eggs, and hash brown. And we're going to cook it all in the bacon fat. Yeah, I think I'm going to call that good.
Are you videotaping?
Yes, I am taping right now.
All right, I'm running this down to time.
Okay. All right. I am going to turn that heat down just a little bit. That pan is fairly well hot and heated up. And yeah, quite a bit of bacon fat in there. But that's okay. I'm not worried about cholesterol or a heart attack or anything like that. Hell, I've been shot 3 times, blown up once. I'll take my chances with the cholesterol. Alright, let's see what happens. I know this is going to be a little sticky because bacon always does that. Bacon always makes the bottom of these pans a little sticky to begin with. But let's just see how we do this time. Yeah, that heat's still a little bit hot. Let's see. Can you see that egg? I know it's not the best angle. I'm not a professional videographer or anything. Not quite enough yet. And my stove isn't level, so it makes things a little harder too. But definitely not sticking to the pan like it did the first time. Yeah. Okay, now we can turn that heat back up a little bit. There we go. And again, like I said, pan's not quite level. We're going to call that egg done. Let's get another one started here. I might have let that pan cool down just a little too much, but hey, we'll be okay. Alright, there's one plate made for the wife. Get her English muffins started. Ooh, I forgot to season my eggs. It'll be all right. All right, so this doesn't get too boring for you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to finish up. Yeah. It would be helpful if the stove was a little bit more even. But there we go. Get that towards the center of the pan where the heat is. It's a marked improvement over how this was cooking before. As a matter of fact, I think what I'll do right now is I'm gonna insert the part where I was cooking the egg on the first video. I'm gonna put that in right here right now so you can see the difference on how much easier it is to cook an egg in this pan at the moment. So you guys go ahead and watch the flashback, and I'm going to finish up these other two eggs. Yeah, what I'm interested to see is how and if, oh yeah, that stuck right to the bottom. Yep, that stuck right to the bottom, even with all that oil in there. Even pre-seasoned. Stuck right to the bottom. Let's see what kind of a mess we're going to have. Yep, trying to get this off the bottom. Oh my God. Well, so far I'm not impressed. Alrighty then. Okay, well, welcome back. We're getting ready to do the corned beef hash now. This is Armor. I've actually never cooked this before, but it was the only one I could find. The shelves are bare. So we'll give it a shot, see how this works out, and hopefully between the time I was cooking the eggs and the time we're back now in post-production here, hopefully I was able to give you a little flashback of using this pan the first time. Okay, there we go. This stuff doesn't seem quite as firm as the Hormel. So, we'll see how this goes anyway. It's going to taste good anyway because it's cooked in bacon fat. So, alright, yeah, we need more heat on this. Ooh, I gotta check my bacon in the oven. Bacon in the oven's about done. So anyway, this is the first time we're cooking in this pan. Oh yeah, look at that. That's sliding real nice on the bottom here. Let's just, yeah, nothing sticking to it. Oh, we're doing good. Yeah, we're gonna turn that heat up a little higher. Pardon me, I gotta get my bacon out of the oven. I cooked my bacon on a cookie sheet in the oven. Now, that being said, I also save all that bacon grease. I will strain it. A lot of times I'll put it through a coffee filter. Yeah. There we go. Alright. How are we doing over here? Oh, doing good. We are doing good. Yeah, a lot of liquid in this one, and it's not just the bacon fat. It's some real mushy corned beef hash. But we'll go ahead and give it a shot. And since this is not really a cooking channel, I don't see any reason to make you suffer through watching this for the next 15 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it. I'll bring you back before it's done. The camera's charged and the charger's working, so it shouldn't be a problem. But yeah, I'll bring you back in a few minutes here after one more. Yeah. That's doing good. Outstanding. Alright, we'll see you in a few minutes. Okay guys, we're back. We're almost done with the corned beef hash. To add a little bit of, I like garlic. Add a little bit of garlic to it. Oh, that smells good. Oh yeah, we're getting that nice brown color to it. And seeing as this is the first time cooking in the pan, it takes a while for it to build up. Oh, I don't know what you call it. It's seasoned, but it takes a while for it to build up, and it builds up over time. So we do have a little bit of this sticking to it. But again, that's not a big deal, and it will clean up easy. And I'll show you exactly how we're going to clean it up. Let me get this out of the pan here. Okay, now you can see, yep, there's some sticking to the bottom, but not too bad. You can scrape it off like that if you want. It comes right up. Not going to hurt the pan, not going to hurt the seasoning. But really, if you don't even want to do all that much work, best thing to do is we're going to take some hot water, just as hot as you can get it. We're just going to pour that in there, and the heat's still on. We're going to leave that on the heat for a few minutes. And I'm actually going to make myself a plate here. Not taking a whole lot of corned beef hash. I don't know. I don't think if I can, I'm going to stay away from the Armour corned beef hash. It's just not what I'm used to. But it'll be all right for right now. Okay. While this is cooking, look at that. That all came right up off the bottom. You don't see me sitting here scraping or putting any pressure on it. All that lifted right up off the bottom. Let me dump this and I will show you. Let me turn the heat off. Okay, all that came right up off the bottom. Get a paper towel in here. Okay, that's almost clean it up with just the paper towel. I got a couple little spots in here, so I'm going to hit that real quick with the green scrubby. There we go. Wipe this out. Dry it off with the paper towel again. And put that right back on the burner, turn it up for a little bit. Add a little bit of oil to it. Turn the heat off now. Oh, geez. The bottom of this pan is slick. It is very slick. Wipe just a little bit of oil in there. Wipe it around the outside. And as you can see, that's how easy it is to clean up. Like I said, add some oil, then wipe it dry. And there you go. That's it. Well, that's it for this episode of Sidewinder Shed. Remember, now next Saturday, which I believe is the 2nd of April. I don't want to do it on April Fool's, but I believe it's the 2nd of April. I will be having the drawing for anyone that's interested in this pan. I will be having a drawing for it, and what I shall be doing is between now and midnight of this coming Friday, any of my subscribers, you have to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment that says, I want that pan. Everyone that does that, I'm going to write your names down. We're going to put them in that pan, and I'm going to hold it up above my wife, and she's going to reach in and pull your name out. Whoever name we pull out will win that skillet. We'll get that pan, and I will ship it to you. I will pay the shipping and everything. And trust me, I will track you down and get all your information for where to send it and where you want it sent and all that good stuff. But yeah, just go ahead and subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment saying you want that pan. And we will get it to you. But for now, that's it. Well, I'm done with this video. The next video you see about this pan will be next Saturday when we actually have the drawing. So any questions or anything like that, leave them in the comments below. And y'all have a good day. Take care.